Hi there, if you could travel back the time to meet anyone from history, who would it be and why? My name is Gian Kiridusendo from IBA College of Mindanao from Section 1, and today I will tell you why I chose Philippine National Hero Dr. Jose Rizal.
Dr. Jose Rizal was a Filipino nationalist, writer, doctor, and reformer who is widely regarded as the national hero of the Philippines. He was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba. Rizal became famous for writing two influential novels, No La Mi Tangere and El Filibusterismo. These books exposed the injustices and abuses suffered by Filipinos under Spanish colonial rule. Instead of promoting violence, Rizal believed that education, peaceful reform, and national unity were the best way to improve the country.
I chose Dr. Jose Rizal for my history project because he is one of the most important figures in the Philippine history. He used his intelligent writing and peaceful advocacy to fight for reforms during the Spanish colonial period. Instead of using violence, Rizal believed that education, truth, and unity could bring back positive change of the country. Even today, Dr. Jose Rizal's values of patriotism, integrity, education, and love for one's country continue to inspire people. Learning about his life remind us that one person can make a significant differential. Knowledge, courage, and dedication. And these are three questions I would like to ask Dr. Jose Rizal. Number 1. What inspired you to write No La Mi Tangere and El Filibusterismo? I want to know what motivated you to expose the injustices during the Spanish rule. Were you ever too afraid to fight for reforms? I want to understand how you stay brave despite the wrath. What advice would you like to give to young people today? I want to learn how we can help our country by following your values.
Dr. Jose Rizal continued to influence society today through his values of education, patriotism, courage, and peacefully advocacy for change. His writing remind us to stand up against injustices and to use knowledge to improve our communities. In my personal life, Rizal inspired me to study hard, think critically, and become a responsible citizen who can contribute to making the Philippines a better place. His life proves that one person can make meaningful difference through wisdom, integrity, and love for their country.